Program BCom, subject Business Economics, first semester, Karnataka University, 19th session, Unit 2, Demand Analysis, subtopic Demand Forecasting, Meaning and Importance. Meaning and definition of demand forecasting. Demand forecasting is a systematic process that involves anticipating the demand for the product and services of an organization in future under a set of uncontrollable and competitive forces. Accurate demand forecasting is essential for a firm to enable it to produce the required quantities at the right time and arrange well in advance for various inputs. In the words of Condiff and Still, demand forecasting is an estimate of sales during a specified future period based on proposed marketing plan and a set of particular uncontrollable and competitive forces. Demand forecasting enables an organization to take various business decisions such as planning the production process, purchasing raw materials, managing funds, and deciding the price of the product. An organization can forecast demand by making own estimates called guess estimates or taking the help of specialized consultants or market research agencies. Importance of demand forecasting. First one, production planning. Explains of output of the firm should be based on the estimates of likely demand, otherwise there may be overproduction and consequent losses may have to be faced. Second one, sales forecasting. Sales forecasting is based on the demand forecasting. Promotional efforts of the firm should be based on the sales forecasting. Third one, control of business. For controlling the business, it is essential to have a well conceived budgeting of costs and profits that is based on the forecast of annual demand. Fourth one, inventory control. A satisfactory control of business inventories, raw materials, intermediate goods, finished products, etc. requires satisfactory estimates of the future requirements which can be traced through demand forecasting. Fifth one, economic planning and policy making. The government can determine its import and export policies in view of the long term demand forecasting for various goods in the country. Sixth one, growth and long term investment programs. Demand forecasting is necessary for determining the growth rate of the firm and its long term investment programs and planning. Thank you.